Thawngtha Chim Thawngtha Chim. All right. Tuzane is very special for me because Nantaiban Tugante Nizan or Ningazanin can crusade can gaismo can gaye maka. I think it was 2 weeks ago when Chin Chin texted me like, "Tawai Tuzare." I was like, "Is it real?" And then I was like, "A pick is low," and then I was looking for excuse straight away. Nankan, what happened was like I checked my calendar. What happened 22nd, and then crusade comes, crusade comes. Oh, this is good news for me. I might get away from this because tuzane crusade msle somaka siapa kan chimding ka sumo kan sala check it. Oh, me crusade me atisha zangma kate. Okay, kara confirm le zelaute. Makante akachimte akan kachilo akan rian atuan mate he akachim ko mi mate late lai he zo patian zong alum la lo to mi he kalung chungken ya nuwa kante tuzan he zo crusade ka chuntian long sale zan le he zo mino service ka normal ticket ngai ko le rakitim ko ta te ka zo okay kate ka zo lan kate le jute marwa ko zong kante ka mona 20 hoi mino opa chin se thamang se dilak zong kante hiban to chan tha te zong kan pek becha kalum tok te mi kha pasapia kan chim ka duwe malong to salon te ka mona kan MC zong ka Messi bun se kan ni pen hi absent school kan atwe mi kan se to zan zong kan ni tuwe than special yeah to zan nensina I've got like so ma chin ka chim ban kan te zeta ka chim la to mi ka I brainstorm inside karuate makan chimding pipa cho ka ngai lo sama salo kanun na ka te ka mu ton mi le tati khan ban tukhin ka chim ko le ta ta khan ka jai lo kem zong khatla ka cham me khan tim to nak te krak ngai begin junte minau tonight I think all of us youths minau kan saban tukinte minau ne kanun na gain thai tha ko ro ta mi te kha ke ma kanun na ga rian ton mi por kha tu jana hin chim ka ti me Pasapien kan te title te ka kemen hison kabut nan kan it will be everywhere yeah so bear with me pakat naka kan sun prayer te se te prayer te mi happy line kan bubble sang ti lakadu mi cho Thessalon kwat khat angan pangam hel herokin heriat ke se azong zalin ilomo azong zalin thlacham u zeben tuk thil nan ton hana lunglomin u krizi su chung I nan nunning ahin heti hin nong na se tia pathian ni andu na zelowen krak real than English kan First Thessalonian chapter 5 verse 16 to 18 that's what I want to read. Always be joyful, never stop praying, be thankful in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you who belong to Christ Jesus. Hekan kam humi cho azung zalin thla chamo azung zalin ilomo azung zal thla chamo akante ma petla hin lumpa chim ka du mi cho karak tim he crusade han khan resa chang nizana siapa ne chimmi kate tha jang ta pinan lak bit thawle ta rachan zum na ka ngai zait lukin da azum na athon ta mi kha machun niza chimmi ka or tok mi le kema tha jang kala tok mi cho thanan chamtinga khan cham so ding in akan fiel lo pray wholeheartedly te thinlung di lak in cham ding kha akan fiel mai petlan hinte hika arami bialte he Christian atami kan dilak ne hen nun ninga kan nun naka hen a herbik mi zo cham le bible real he sumo cham kapun te te kan hal na hin sun I think everyone would say is a way we talk to God, is a way we make a fellowship. It's also a sign that show we surrender to God and also we trust Him, and it shows that we need God in our life. Yeah. I begin to makasakawe. Hikamona thatam di mi long taken se. I don't know about you. Nan kan I don't know also like if you have experience or if your answer has been or your prayer is answered in one way or another. For me, I have a very good example. Tonight, siapa kan zelo kan chun thak ka chami ma chuma chu chang te chumo nan at chim tika kan at cham tika kan pathian sana kan 100% ka zelo mu chun zait look in da pathian er na kong kha achim tika kan pathian ne achunga atlun tar tika kan ma kha zai de si te chun tatti ka se tatti stika ma achim mi ni kan mi lung thina rian atwane thazanga kan achwa so beben tungente for me as you atu hente Andrew te atus Andrew nagen tlong chin ti chan ngorong karak selio he if you see me you think like oh this little boy because atu ka khani ma he slo tang kwa ka selio he ma chante ka sela atu ka zelo he so ka zelo he ma kha ma te chun karak ume atu malekan umleo khisa so makan atu kalimyo chon thaiban toin ka pula sena kan ume I wasn't growing up you know I wasn't growing up ka kum token kan kaniam tok ka tele sote kaniam tok he makha kanu ni ken si tha ke ka tok apaton man te so ma chun over tin ke san nak sin te chuma koram ken sun mana ke ka chok piak sang se te du aken ka chok piak sinak ka din peng ka thulo calcium na ke ka chok piak ka din karak thulo e makhan kalimyo kha kan chuak malegan male song kham ti chun ka sakau tang kwa tang sha ke sading ka sang nan ko hoila ka zau na ken I was very little and I was stressing a lot like oh God do you really want me to be like this if I'm like this I don't think like ko hoi mai ka khap lo ka nom la lo ta ken pathian sing ka zelo ton ka za zai zong ke selo ka ruwa ke me ken ma chun malaya khan zan fatin he I pray yeah pray that again it's not normal praying yeah I was like atu tlong chin ki so sang tuk chumoi chan pi sumo ama tluk ke ka sa na ke so krak phi ti nan we are like the same age ma tluk rong kin lawe tha krak cham peng zam fitin te I bless my body yeah I touch my body tha ka cham pakin I touch like my knees I'm like kanina ke I feel it and then if it's very hard karu ke chan tuk chun man karu chan tuk chun karu he adok ti lo na ke rak phang so but I was praying so hard like every night oh God you know I want to be tall I want to grow up ka cham me I didn't even realize it yeah ma karu lo kar ba ken tlampa krak thang e kanu ke ma chan kanu ni ken akan lon tuk za ka chan tilong se kanu na ke ka ku e ka thangai khoi ta te ma na ke ka thak pi ka than hu do ken misen tung te ken ka diar to ne ka u naw vol ke ka ta di na kan thang lo to mi ke misen I was measuring my height like that and then ma ka kan phak khan chun like lai pa chun you know we are standard so kam phan chumo and then ma kong he kapil pa chang yeah kapil pa chang na kan siang kan kai who knows Malala nan thai ko le and in year 11 or year 10 text analysis kan zelo kan text kan study me kan Malala kong kan chong so and she was having the same issue but I don't like Malala to be honest on San Suu Kyi as am ho chan hu ka jan ka urti lo nan kan he was in her book it was saying trying to be tall yeah in the title when I look at that I was like oh my goodness maka akatong tan this is me karele ama azong ka the same experience she was having anum lewa kan athang be lo ke bentuk ka se nan tha cham be emet khan se ka ze lawe te ma khan ka thin lo kan ma lio tha krak chami belte ka pathian ne akali ko heta ma he zai ka tele ama sina hinta ka chami ka ki lombia ka chim than ma te mi zong ka te ka lunga kin aka tong te kan mai thil me te cho alo ko le nan ma lio ka stress zai tlukan da karak stress na pathian pe akachan choi pathian pe tho aka choi te mi ka ka thilunga rina tuan tika khante mejo pathian he ta takko zai thil me te songa ama minin thakan cham if we pray to him with our wholeheartedly, even it may be a small thing, he would definitely he answer me, you know. He will and highly akan le kau le tami kite ka zum na ke ma tin kan aka thon tar to ko so sirang kende minau kan ma jong he I don't know what you are going through. You might be struggling with something majun na du mi ka si na du mi le phat ka jong ke atu he na ngai ko le na balten ma cha khan thana cham ma tami kate biak hal kan du na cham lo swala khan chon apam tuk le tami ke thasang pek he kan du ko so it could be anything. Na khan where you can start is you might be starting on your own, like doing the right thing by yourself. Na khan ma bialte na athada umi so start with God, yeah. Pray to him. Nobody needs to know anything. Na khan talk to God, ask him, and one day he would definitely answer, and then he will reveal it to you. Temi te khate pakhat nak biga khan chim ko du majun pakhat chim ko du rimi zo atu minau prayer kan ngai peng chmo prayer kan ngai peng ta khat ba khat than cham peng tekin thacham na kan cha tekin te is very good kan male kan ma jong ki kan thai deu majun kan cham piak te ka kin tatin hat kan hu chmo to nai uchung chung jong ne rak chim kha cham arak cha mi bak sumo mai abun zelo te kan pichen umpi anga ta tak chmo makha cha lo jong en aum khau khau emajun a on jong ong khau khau na balten mani lang termi chu pathian about chan zaitlon ta about chan majun mate vun chim te khan pathian achunga athat na kha lang chumo ma kan se kan nivial te jong he atu kan sining zau na selo if we look our situation right now we are very very blessed, yeah. The reason I'm saying that is because there are a lot of people who would like to have this opportunity, yeah, and who doesn't have it. But kan ni so thakan cham man tuk chan thakan ngai long salo ente mi har sa mi help me na cha thacham pyak khau tu ding dir huna ken pathian ken akan chia ma shime ro akente we are very blessed. Ro lo akin chun zaiman ke salo, yeah, you just go to prayer. It's finished. You just pray. Na kan thatin ro chun you are there every week. And God puts you in a position where you can pray for other people. Marshimka it is very very a great blessing. Tami kate matika kan lungchom now salo ruat now salo. Let's keep praying, yeah. Thacham nun ti kha ngai now salo kan tu mi kan her mi kha kan ngar ilo jong se. Let's keep pushing and keep praying. God doesn't forget our requests. Amasing kan chimi pau ko cho pathian ne apil lo kan mane chon kan phil kho nan pathian ne apil lo tami te khate masapika chim gudu machun apani na ga chun young people din fel nak he tlumpal te chim gudu din fel nak te ka zum tlak sinak being a good person, yeah, being a good person in all way around. Because who are we? We are called Christians, yeah. Christian to me so Christian young people can say more. Christian to me so Jisu zul tu kan say more. Mara kan Jisu mui kan chuan cheme abepi tuk to me kate chim kadu e nen thai to mi Bible te ka rokrele 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 12. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 10. For whoever would love life and see good days must keep their tongue from evil and their lips from deceitful speech. We are young people. We are setting everywhere we go. We are like we are fox Ting here like Tami tu fanau the go pun kicken say. Because we are like a sheep among the fox or the wolf. Marakan any our action matters, yeah. Kan chimning se kan tua ser mi dang cha zau chun otla kan sipeng ding kha abe pi tuk te mi kha se minung kan sena minau abikin minau kan silio chun I am able, I can do anything by myself, I don't need anyone. Ma dir mun ke au mi kan se Nabaltain, God doesn't want us to be bad. He wants us to try our best to be like Him. We won't be perfect, but we can try. Yeah? When I say that, pumpak in chun kahin azom di mi kan sakole. No one wants to be a bad person, yeah? And that si adu milong te kan se Nabaltain kan du tuk buzoing ken kan swal pen kole makajo minung kan seben tukente makajo Nabaltain lungchin kan lungchin he seben tukenta how is my heart kan lungchin e pi tuk mi se kan lungchin athat kan chun kan leng le zoni kan apia e lungchin thathe izom naw selote mujun swearing to me hede hikamuna lompate rakcho api kadu e hikamuna swearing ato mi long taken skole even starting from me, yeah? Especially when we get angry, we say bad words, we don't even realize it. Nan kan. So, nizan message kan huzer jong ho bayana chimchang ka te kan hurka he abe pituk nak zia kha. Machun makahin swearing te tika hin hika we are all young people, yeah? Swear kan du liu chan bak se. Du liu chan tika kan thai chan zom le kan thai lo chan zom le. Ke me zong he atu he so swear lo he ka zom nan. Ka hak chit liu he. Oh my goodness. Ka ro thana chun game chal khele ko hom tak cha game te tika khwa lai le man to koram lai khin chun game te te po mi khum chumo ko le lung apo chan se tuk tek te po chan kem chumo ma ne khin le ka chal khele ka khuam tak ko le lung ki tam pi ka ngai ka chal tuk rang khin. So marble games atu kan naw le cha thai don thai ti la lo ma tika kan karak chal pange I was addicted, yeah, kan sanga khin ko lung ken chal pange ka miss fate he I started swearing. If I miss something I like I just started like, and then maka ko to pang tikan kan hoi le ko sena kan tikin is a culture, yeah. He got on and so go game to kumi man to kan zelo ta kin ka thai pang mi ki man to swearing words te ke se ma ka swear pang tikan te ka u pakhat atu Sweden na umjang ama ne kan asiarim lo ka khazan pakhat se ka swear pang tikan asiarim lo ma ka swear mi ka thin thun leo ka chimmis tikan game na game ka thai ton lo nan ka bun ta tika kan ama ne kan ta boy akate ma kan vik ka zau e ka chimmi ka ma ka asiar krem lo mi ke se e kruwa te kan mai ka thin thun pha te pe bichya he krak chim ka we ta mi ka thin lo kan vik ta kan ren atwan e man who kan chun I feel guilty whenever I say bad words. So, like, ma ka chimmi te ne kan ka thin lo kin rian fa pi kin atwan ko so ka min lo nga chimma so zai man ta lo, yeah, ka chimmi ka asiarim lo ka min te chim nak ne kan ma ka chimmi pe rak tha lo he te ma nu thokin chun swear words bakke I stop and then ka chim ti bak lo ma kha cho ko holin kin ka rak chim chmo ma chun ma nun chun ka rak stop him ma chun ka hei thang ko ma chun atu hika kan zo hin chun atu lau tu khape bolong chuit pol kan chon ke kan naw le te atu Helena chan te atu Andrew tia ta pol he. Whenever we play, like if they get angry they start swearing and I'm like, oh, this is not good. And I see this happen with a lot of young people. I don't know if they know what they are doing or it becomes a culture or they just normalize it. So I'm like, I think I should start, we need to do something about it. Because Christian kan iti phone kan zelo kan biya ya chia tuk an chimi ke F B C yeah atling di yeah maka an chimakin is so normal and kathai na ken kasiaram lo and kanawlati long tin an set phone so I was like sometimes I'll say language ka au pa le na kan they were looking at me like this, what is wrong with this guy? Na kan for them it's normal, yeah. Na kan kazelo lo kasiaram lo kachimdu na so kemezong ka oh yeah let me just bring this one mate hol chim ka kapchet katgo le ta te ma ka unu ne araka zelo thong kan kapchet katle so kapchet de kan kachim lo mali to pong king kazelo de kan kachim lo e keme to mat kan ka hai ko nan kan mali to pol rin kan tuan sana kin kan hoi ka hoi le pong na ko ma kin akan tiza ngai so I don't know why tiza te ka kin they treat me like a saint. Zelo e maka keme te kan so mat kan ka ko na kan ka ruwa de kan ya me matin akan treat ka pong hin son till bitcha zuding mi zong sa kwak zu mi zong sa the way they behave is like different akan chon dan zong ke I see is different so I'm like what is wrong karua te akan te I'm like oh man tuk katwa lo man tuk bitcha chim ka zuam lo mi te man tuk katwa mi hema mol angai nga ta mi ke karuat ko so karua te akan oh me so ma ruang hin ase kaule te mi ke kemle ke me ke karuat than ma ra ken te atu ka chim te ka hin I don't ask you to say bad words but I just want to highlight that saying bad words is not good. Yeah, swearing words is not good. Yeah, so kan murka kan leile dang he patchen ne thachwana apek mi se e kan sum kho azun ma kha kan ma minung midang ne kan tisa na kha apai lo na khan it's good to not say bad words. So I want you to remember anytime you are angry and anytime you want to say bad words, just say that. Oh, Daboy or David used to say saying bad words is not good. If you remember that, it's okay. Yeah, I'm more than happy. So I just want to say all of those bad words are not good. Yeah, as Christian we should be avoiding all of those. Tamika, hikain chimgadu. Majun, apatum nakajun. Yes, you have time. Tum nakajun. Patchen otai tami se de. Patchen otai tatika patchen hin zen da biakan ruat jo tami jo pakat jo kan nak hin adang di la. Nabel tein patchen o he jo how pau ne kan thai bal ko le tami ke kasum the way God speak to you might be different to how He speaks to me. Yeah, He speaks to me. But have you heard God's voice? And how do you hear it? Tami kate kahin tampa chim kadu Hebrew chapter 15 verse 5 to 6 and Proverbs 3:12 Proverbs chapter 3 verse 11 to 12 kakrak rile. My son, do not despise the Lord's discipline and do not resent His rebuke, because the Lord disciplines those He loves. As a father, the son He delights in. Boy pa na patchen chun long ma cho Deuteronomy se de karak than tela kachim tu mi cho patchen ni chun adob mi fa pa cho achim shin te mi kha kan thai. Yeah, He discipline one He loves. Mate kachim te ka hen patchen ne hen anchim shin ton ma te mi kha bihal gan tu. Patchen ne anchim shin na kha na thai thiam mo te mi kha bihal gan tu. Do you hear? Do you understand when God disciplines you? That could be a way God speaks to you. For myself, I think this is the way God speaks to me, not by my dream or not by hearing His voice straight away. Yeah, but direct athami le zelo khacho you guys will be very very blessed. Yeah, nan kan. A begin concern, zoom to kan seven token, kan papa chana kan sar to kan. We need to have a relationship. We need to be able to hear God's words, yeah? Because it could be by the Bible that you read, or it could be by your life experience. When something doesn't go right, even though you are doing the right thing, or something you're doing is bad, and then God wants to discipline you, and something happens to you. But are you going to ignore it when God speaks to you through your experience or something that happened to your life? But do you really hear God? How do you hear God, Tamika? Hikamana Thawngtha Chim kadu around so. Patchen o Thailau mi kan sen chun zang phak tok kan sala. Because Christian it trong e patchen kan biak kan trong e church kan rat peng ko e if we don't hear God's words and if we don't have relationship with Him, it's going to be very sad for us. Because nun ki patchen biangai kan tatika hin patchen ni chun adot mi afa cha chim shin ton de chmo. He disciplines those He loves. So if something bad happens to you, would you take that as like, oh, I'm having bad luck? Or would you reflect that and go to God and seek advice to Him? It could be God's way of speaking to you. So, kachim du mi zo, patchen bia ngai zia chim nao se ta mi khate, ya chun zai tlo akan chim shin zonga patchen bia kan thai thiam lo la kan ngai thiam lo kan chun kan cha kan atha lo. Sometimes kan tua ton mi thil tha kan tua ton mi tua lo in kan te, we might be drifted away, yeah, from doing good and listening to God. But it's okay. But if you start to understand that, oh, I'm drifting away from God, that could be God's way of speaking to you. So as soon as you know that, just come back to Him. Yeah, come back to God. It's never too late. Makan kal than lo, baba zarir than lo, amasin kan thazang la than kau temi kate, apan hina kan an chim kadu arwang so patien bia kan thailo kan chun, patien ha kan la chin kan chun, we might get lost. We don't know how far we are going. Patien sinin kan tlau lo nak ngading kan chun, ama abia kan kanibun peng hao, o Bible cha hai tam pi kan thai hao arwang so kan hu ton mi vial te he Bible base kan to lo le Bible lak in tha kan lak lo kan chun. If depression or something comes to us, we will be dealing that with something. We might be drinking. Who knows? We might be. We will use alcohol, drugs, anything for our own therapy. Yeah, this is a very important thing, because atu kan community as se lai mi se kan tam ngai chang te zu ading mi zu kan din rong ama hol ke kan songkha thlum lawin lam chonga bak ba mi kan tam ngai chang ma pol ke nan hal na chon zai si dia chon they just drift away from an zai lawe an long re thai nak le and depression nga nak bial te kha, they don't give it to God, but they use their own way to heal themselves. So what they do is they drink, they do drugs, and then they try to get away from their trouble. Yeah. Nakan top dan ka be pingai. Hikam hona minaw kan seven token. Tua du mi kan ngai chiu samo. So kan lung re thai sana zeda kan tua ton. Bible ma kan re. So la ma ro hente atu hobby ngai zong he be pingai minaw kan seven token. Hobby te teka something that you do in your spare time. It could be reading, it could be something around so the kan se lo ki pat khat to mi kan ngai lawa kan sun swal nak lei kal khe foi tuk. Some people they don't know anything, so ading mi hoi hanim hu swal kan sun anding ma khan they just get drifted away, and then they go under the influence of alcohol, and then andi go. Yeah. So young people, what I would like to encourage you is, please do something that you love that will distract you from doing bad things. Maka bikin chun chim kadu, yeah. Whatever you do, just think about it. Does patchen ne adu ma tamika always reflect. Atu hin volleyball tamakan ngat kan tam ngai chumo. Volleyball zong he is good because a lot of machun volleyball kan to te hin kan ni zong he crows ball zong he. We have a volleyball team on our church ten kan to ko, yeah, and matikan to te hin we have better chemistry, yeah, better teamwork. Nu ball zong nan sa ko. Manikan to me today, you have some commitment that and manikan till chalo to akate income na se to me ka chim abigin chim kudu mi to say do something that you love na kan till chalo to tu don kan tu kha sa sham se to me kate malo jo till chalo to na kan to swal kan chun kan tla swal kan chun har chin chang to me kate til chalo atwa mi tam deu khe kan zau achun man te twa ding thailo atwa mi man to they just want to get away from something ma an twa ruang kan an twa ton mi kha se ma ruang kan de zelo kan twa mi he pathian he zelo na zelo ma chun kan ke zemen twa kan ngai lo kan chun find something that you enjoy doing just for your mental health to mi kate chim kadu malo jo pum pak cha hin di anung ya chun pathian kan talong song kan anga belo kan ma ten kan mental health ka kan ni zau thiam ve ka how to mi khate apan hi na chim kadu ya chun we are very very blessed to have a community where we can connect, yeah. We have a lot of friends here. You might not say, oh, this is not my friends among you guys, but we have so many people that you can talk to. Ma he mi dang tampinian ngai lo mi se, yeah, kan ma le kan ma kha kan ni bom how we are all there for one another, yeah. So always talk to the people that is close to you, and just always remember, yeah, no excuse in doing bad things. Maka chim kudu machun zai thil kan to paw hin, let's have a heart ke lung lom nak lung chin ke ngai now se let us all always be grateful, yeah, have a gratitude around so kan chim bai sha saban tungin te we have a community, yeah, we have a youth group, we have we have a church, we have a group that care for us, yeah, Moroccan, and we have health, we have we have everything that we need, yeah, we lack nothing in our youth group. Rather, pathian thang thalo aw thalo, yeah, machun kan dra lo bal tian we can take all of this for granted. Moroccan, we need to be grateful. Kan ngai chun mi hin thacham piak tu kan ngai machun we literally have everything that we need. Marohin ma kan ngai mi te he we always need to count like our blessing one by one, yeah. Malojo kan chunga pathian alom so la lo te mi kha chim kadu mi se kan chunga pathian alom lo chun everything can go like in 1 2 3, yeah. He can take all of this away from us somehow. Malaysia ke to ko this age you might be working, who knows, on Sunday. Mara kente hiban tugin pathian cha machun let's talk about cleaning group. Cleaning group is this is a very good opportunity to serve the Lord, yeah, serve the church, because this is the space, because we have like youth group, you have Sunday school, we work, but cleaning group ahin we all have a role, yeah. Church responsibility ka kan chunga che kan se. So for example ma church cleaning he krip hau pa ni kin lan ha se lo kan to hau ti la lo na kan hi biang in kan clean wrong ahin kan ma he chwa tam pi kan chau be so ma kha I want you to understand, yeah. Mate kan ni la ka kan chun a chong kan khungam la lo, yeah. I know you guys are doing your best to clean the church, but there is so much blessing in church cleaning and stuff, and we are having that opportunity, yeah. Atulio he marwa kante kan ma group cho kan phel ngai ma chun hui tu jong kan upat ngai cleaning group kan select kan tabakin chun ase kholomi ne kan ke chu ka se kholo ta tha de na kan chim ton and we are very happy yeah there's no misunderstanding and everything I think we understand the theoretical part of it there's blessing behind this Maro khante the reason why I want to mention this is ma chan kan ngai mi te he chan okay akun kong yeah take this as an opportunity cleaning is also serving God just remember that yeah we are serving the Lord through cleaning Maro khante fel phai ten la kan zelo chan khan tuan nau si ta mi kha chim ka du ma chun the last part, God wants us to be the best of the best. Mateka chimtinga khan, atu naite sia Stanley khan thai koloma, naite kan sami khasan school ne amane khan chimika ke thazang kanga ngai mi jo church group ahin kan tomi velte he athabik asi hawa kan te. E mate achimtinga khan yeah this is very true. Kan ma ne kan to mi ki pe hinte media photo voice zai po hinte kan nun zia za se kan ma vum pok zonga we need to be the best of the best mi ne kan zau na kan we have to be the best we have to be good example kan video an zau na ka wow an video thatning an tia how ma chun photo an zau na wa photo thatning an tia how ma chun kan to mi ki pe hin atha tok wow thazang kan sitting here be tuk because machun oh yeah tonai ka zelo mi kate in our behavior because we are God masterpiece yeah Christian katami kate Christian kan saban token hin we need to be perfect I know it sounds like I'm pressuring you guys to be very good but my main thing is like we need to be good we need to be the best of the best atu Jehovah witness poke kan deng ngai na jomo we don't really like them yeah because there are something wrong nine there's something wrong ta na kha zum na kha se an rian ton na ke tua ka chun zo chuno an tlangai ke tia ka ro arang so an media that ning ke atu ko ram ke kalolo normal paper ken mu thang la lo Jehovah witness pon an chami paper ki so kol chan they are very good with media an Thawngtha Chim dan bakke is very good yeah and professional ning le resources and man mi ke an pathian Thawngtha cha resource and man mi ke athat ning ke tua ka chun they are next level they try to be the best of the best yeah kan mu kho mi se they use a lot of resource to spread the word of God maka chim ko du mi so pathian cha hen zaitluk da zaitluk than kin da arian he kan tuan ta mi ke te we have to do our best kan tikho ton kan athat kho chong athaka kan pe ka how he ka hin Proverbs chapter 3 verse 9 to 10 honor the Lord with your wealth with the first fruits of all your crops then your barns will be filled to overflowing and your vats will brim over the new wine Majun Colossians chapter 2 23 to 24 tholom kan del ton mika Colossians chapter 3 23 24 zai thil nan to pawa pathian minung cha salon pathian cha ka to tin to to mi kete whatever you do work heartily as for the Lord and not from men knowing that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward you are serving the Lord Christ kan to mi ki phe pathian cha kan to mi sarwang in wholeheartedly kan to how ma wholeheartedly kan to mi ne khan athai lai tal le temi kate he kan chim gadu zai thil kan to pa khan we have to do the best of the best ma te kan to nu khan pathian sumpana alang le kan chunga pathian alom le temi ka chim gadu so to conclude my preaching for tonight I just want to say that we might be going through I don't know how our faith journey is going but there is nothing is big or no sin is big enough to separate us from the love of God. Yeah? God is always welcoming. Whatever we do, as long as we hear Him saying like, it's time to get back to Him, it's never late. He is always waiting for us to come back. But then, try to listen to His voice again if you have lost the voice that you used to hear if you haven't heard from Him for a while. Try to reflect your life. Try to heed back to His voice, because He is waiting for you with an open arms. And always count your blessing, the family that you have, the friends, the community that you have. Don't take anything for granted. See God in everything that you see around you. And let us continue to pray for one another, support one another, and be there for one another. Because at the end of the day, we are doing God's work. Yeah, whatever we do, we are doing it for Him. And most important thing, we might be the only Bible that other people read. Whatever we do, in our workplace, in here, wherever we go. So, let's those of us who are called Christians set a good example in the way we talk, behave, work, and in everything that we do. And let everything that we do glorify God. And thank you so much for today.